Alright, dude, good luck.
Good luck. I go first.
Yes.
Maybe draw card. Pass.
I will do Eld, and then I'll do Mikasa, draw one, trash one. I will trash Eld and pass turn.
Okay, draw turn. Cornelia. Cornelia. Pass my turn.
Draw. I will do action point. Aaron Yeager, action point. Erwin Smith, pass turn.
Draw card. Click Harmony. And menu. Let me think.
Yeah.
Alright, Cornelia.
Oh wow.
Look top 5.
No good.
It's so bad, it's not.
So bad. Wow.
4K attack.
What life?
Pardon.
Bottom.
Holy crap.
Special.
Okay, your turn.
Wow. I will forward Mikasa, and I will forward Eld. This is no good.
That's crazy.
I will play Levi.
I don't know, I really don't like Cornelia. Maybe.
Yeah, why do you play her? Draw one, trash one.
I saw everyone play Cornelia, I want to try it.
Oh, okay. Trash.
Mm-hmm.
Play frontline.
Mm-hmm.
15 top.
Color. Finally, draw one. Sideline. Leave.
15 top.
Up. Enter my hand.
35 top.
Special.
Nice. Your turn.
Draw turn. Pair IP, draw card.
Yes.
Read Cornelia. Look 5 cards. I will restamp my AP.
Oh wow.
Draw one, silent one.
Oh, here it comes.
Silent my. Sorry, let me think.
8 energy.
My special.
Whoa.
Yep.
Wait. Oh wait, you don't have Suzaku yet.
Yep. 4K. I could top. If
Yeah,
you take.
I will take. Raid. No energy.
Okay, pass my turn.
Draw. Let's go forward on Mikasa. Well, no, I don't need to. Let's just go action point Petra. One played at the start of my attack phase, ready, action point.
Mm-hmm.
I can do it for this guy too. I just haven't been because there's no reason to because I don't have Levi. But now I'm about to have one. I will raid this Levi. One played. This is 5K right now?
No, it's 4K. I know.
Oh, no raid.
Yeah.
Do I want to bounce it back though? No. I kind of want to bounce this back. Yeah. Minus 2K. So it's 2K. Levi. When attacking, oh wait, ready AP for this, ready AP for Irwin. When attacking, pay one action point and bounce a 2K or less back to hand.
Yep.
And I'll go top left.
Up. Nothing.
I will go. When attacking, pay 1 AP to make this a 4K. I forgot it had that ability.
Top.
Yeah, top.
Color. Oh, I do have something. Okay.
Block. Well, 15.
Block.
35. Since I paid one action.
Block.
Your turn.
Card. When I pick, draw card. Suicide Crew. Extend.
Oh my god. Kill.
Kill Levi.
Okay.
Kill Arwen.
Okay.
Impact double damage. Top 2.
Top 2. Final and a color. No 35.
Double damage.
Block Mikasa.
Impact double damage. Top 2.
Top 2.
Oh, okay.
Special one of the Lancelots.
Yep.
And active this.
Sure. Pass my turn.
That's unfortunate. Draw. Very unfortunate. Action point for extra draw. No. Yes. No. Yeah. Yes. Action point extra draw. Okay. Forward. Forward. Action point. Levi. Action point. Levi Barrage.
Ah, okay. Sure.
At the start of my attack phase, ready AP for him.
Mm-hmm.
When attacking, 4K, pay 1 AP plus 1,000. He's 45.
It's 45.
Yeah, because
Oh, okay.
1,000 for him, and he gains 2,000 if I pay 1 AP
Yeah,
during
sure.
my
Top life?
top left.
I don't have.
45?
I just take.
I would. GG. The special saved me.
Yeah, oh, damn it.
Damn
I'm
it.
so broken. And the Cornelia,
Yeah.
they find like this 5 card bottom of my deck.
Oh.
Damn it.
That is so terrible. GG.
I don't like Cornelia.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You think you'll change it?
I'll change it back.
You'll change it back?
But right now, I mean, that's a popular deck.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone is using right now, so
Well,
it's good to practice.
why would they play the Cornelia? The Cornelia just lets you play one resting, right?
Yeah, because you have a new 2 cards. The Nanali, this one, and this girl.
So you play those resting?
Yeah, so you can play a 2 cost resting and it's double energy.
Oh.
But it's kind of gamble, but if you search top 5 with all your 8 cost Lancelot, you already lost. Yeah, so I mean, it depends.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thanks for
Yeah, but GG.